How to make money online 10 ways. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, the opportunities to make money online are vast and diverse. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time career, or a way to monetize your skills and passions, there are numerous avenues to explore. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into 10 distinct ways to make money online, covering freelancing, online surveys, content creation, affiliate marketing, online courses, virtual assistants, stock photography, remote work, online tutoring, and e-commerce. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing has emerged as a cornerstone of online income generation. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr act as marketplaces connecting freelancers with clients seeking a variety of services. Writers, graphic designers, programmers, and more can set their rates, negotiate terms, and build a steady stream of work. Freelancing offers flexibility, allowing individuals to choose projects that align with their skills and interests. 2. Online surveys and reviews. For those looking to make money online without specialized skills, participating in paid online surveys or writing product reviews is a viable option. Websites such as Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Amazon's Mechanical Turk provide opportunities to share opinions on products and services in exchange for compensation. While not a primary source of income, these activities can be a convenient way to earn extra cash or gift cards. 3. Content creation. Creating and monetizing content online is a rewarding avenue for those with a passion for writing, video production, or podcasting. Starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast allows individuals to showcase their expertise or creativity. Income can be generated through various channels, including ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and direct contributions from the audience. Building a dedicated following is key to maximizing earnings in content creation. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based model where individuals promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through their unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer a wide range of products to promote. Successful affiliate marketers create valuable content that strategically incorporates affiliate links, providing a passive income stream as their audience grows. 5. Online courses and ebooks. For those with expertise in a specific subject, creating and selling online courses or ebooks is a lucrative option. Platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing facilitate the creation and distribution of educational materials. This method not only allows individuals to share their knowledge, but also provides a scalable income stream as the course or ebook gains popularity. 6. Virtual assistants. The demand for virtual assistants has surged as businesses and entrepreneurs seek remote administrative support. Offering services such as email management, customer support, or social media management through platforms like Upwork or Remote Oak can provide a consistent income for those with organizational and administrative skills. 7. Stock photography. Photographers can monetize their craft by selling images to stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. High-quality and unique photos have the potential to generate passive income as businesses, designers, and content creators purchase licenses to use these visuals. This avenue is ideal for those with a passion for photography and an eye for creating marketable images. 8. Remote work. The rise of remote work has opened up numerous online job opportunities across various industries. Job boards like Remote OK, We Work Remotely, and LinkedIn regularly feature remote positions in fields such as marketing, programming, and customer service. Remote work offers flexibility and the chance to earn a stable income from the comfort of one's home. 9. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a fulfilling way to share expertise and earn money. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, and ViadKid connect tutors with students seeking assistance in various subjects. Whether you excel in mathematics, language arts, or science, online tutoring allows individuals to make a positive impact while earning a fee for their services. 10. E-commerce. Starting an online store has become increasingly accessible with platforms like Shopify and Etsy. Entrepreneurs can sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or even adopt a dropshipping model to offer a diverse range of products without handling inventory. E-commerce requires strategic planning, effective marketing, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, but it can be a rewarding way to generate income online. In conclusion, the digital era has democratized the ways in which individuals can make money online, whether through freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce. There's an opportunity for everyone. Success in the online realm often requires dedication, adaptability, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By exploring and combining various methods, individuals can carve out their unique path to financial success in the ever-expanding online marketplace. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.